Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your name on iQIYI app. So first of all, launch iQIYI app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you're logged on to your account. Now tap on the option of Me at the bottom right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now on top, tap on Account and Security. Now on top, you'll see your name given. Tap on it. Now enter the name you wish to change on your iQIYI account. Then tap on the option of Save at the top right. With that, you will successfully be able to change your name on iQIYI application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.